One of the biggest problems that I see in companies, I think that determines if a company is going to be successful or not, is when leaders have tough discussions with their people, when they start addressing the elephant in the room. That determines when a company is successful. Because if you're setting high targets for your people, if they're too high, people can get discouraged and demotivated. So you need to give them the rationale behind it. So sitting with your people and saying, we have set high expectations. We've set high goals for ourselves. Now I know some of you are thinking, this is far off, or our targets are too high, or our competitors have better products, or the market is challenging. Then yes, it might be true, but we believe that we can actually achieve these targets if we work hard, if you dig inside of yourself and you find the motivation inside of yourself. You need to talk to people like they're humans, not like they're workers and machines. So we want to work hard, not just you. We are also going to work hard, and we're going to make sure that we actually achieve these targets. So you need to address the elephant in the room, because if the people don't believe that you can achieve these targets, they're not going to do it. So having this tough discussion, addressing their issues, because being a leader is, your job is to make people believe that they can achieve things that they thought they could never achieve them. Another issue is that being transparent. So companies that put values that they don't even live by, let's say trust, that's one of their values. They stick it on the wall, and the employee's looking at it, and he or she is thinking, we don't even live by that. This company is the level of hypocrisy. So having this conversation as a CEO or as a business owner, gathering your people, going to them and saying, listen, one of our values is trust. To be honest, we don't live by it still. We're working on it. We're not perfect. No company is perfect, but this is something that we aspire to have. We aspire to have more trust, and we're going to work on it. And reinforcing these new actions that you can take in order to install this new value of trust. But if you just put it there and you're still not living it, that's hypocrisy. So you want to just address it and say, we're not there yet, but we're working on it. So addressing that issue is very important, addressing the elephant in the room. So what I want to know is that, have you ever addressed the elephant in the room, had a tough discussion with your people? How did it benefit your people? Do you believe that this creates more transparency? Let me know your comments. I'd really like to know your feedback and your experiences.